Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In here I'm going to show you how you can collect quality timber in Heartopia. So if you're trying to build that dream mansion but getting stuck with basic wood, quality timber is the essential ingredient for high tire furniture and also has a house expansions in Heartopia. And in today's video I'm going to show you the secret spots and the tools you need. So what you need to do in here, you can just equip your axe to start collecting the timber, and you can just follow the sign. So this is my quest. Actually, I need to collect 8 quality timbers. This is my daily request, so you can just follow the direction in here, and then you can just start swinging your axe to collect the quality timber. So you might not you just need to explore again and follow the directions to earn more. So on each tree usually you can get up to 1 quality timber. So you need to be patient. You need to find another trees like this until you can get all of the quality timbers. So that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.